Okay, welcome to today's video, and it's all about a site called Freecash. We're going to show you a new bonus that you can actually that's become available in the last week or so. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. And also, I'm going to show you how you can earn passively with Freecash, and how I have earned nearly 20,000 points by just doing just that. Before we start, let's have a quick look. About a month ago, like I say here, I made a new video about this site, Freecash. Proved that you can actually withdraw your money, and it only takes about 3 minutes to get to your bank account. Now, I have had some people say that they have been banned from the site. They can't get approval for any of the surveys, etc. So obviously, I can only go through what I'm experiencing with the site. Obviously, yes, there will be things that will get you banned and that sort of thing. I don't know. You're going to have to take that up with Freecash themselves in their support. But just basically, obviously, go through their terms and service and make sure you're not obviously, doing things that you shouldn't be doing. Okay. But right, let's crack on today, and we're going to go through the Freecash. And want to show you where there has been an additional bonus added, and also rather nearly 20,000 points passively on Freecash, and I'm going to show you how I've done that. Okay, so if we head over to the Freecash here, as you can see, and now if you don't know what Freecash is, it's a new app, website, and where you can actually go and earn money, and you can actually, if you click on here, start earning money. You can basically take surveys, you can download games and play games as well. And some of these games are easy to do, guys. They really are. So, like say this one here, Solitaire, you can pick up 20,000 points just by playing this free game. Just download it to your phone, start playing it. On this one, it says you can open the game and you finish crop 8 within 8 days. Okay, so that's what you've got to do to get the rewards, which are 20,000 points. Okay, so very, very easy. But I'm going to show you an even easier way to get points passively. And also, they've got a new bonus. So let's show you the new bonus. If you're already a member, maybe you haven't spotted this, or maybe you want to become a member. So this is somewhere else that you can actually go with one click. You can actually go and earn some more points. So if we get over to the rewards section here, and as you can see, you can follow them on Twitter. So you can actually get points for following them on Twitter. The Instagram account is obviously coming soon, and you can obviously claim your daily bonuses. So I've got 10 points to claim here for my daily login. Boom, there we go, 10 points into my account up here. You've also got some promo codes, so check out on the Twitter account. You get promo codes occasionally, which you can then get different amounts. Sometimes you can get up to 1,000 points. So check out the Twitter regularly. But the one I want to show you is the one here. Download the app. This is fairly new. The app is new out. As you can see, I've got it on my phone now. So download that, and then you get more bonus points straight away. So those are the quick ways that you can earn money. But a passive way that you can earn money, and I've done this. If you click over to affiliates, I've actually got over 20,000 now in earnings by just referring other people, guys. You actually get 5% of all the offers they complete, and you can also give away a free 100 coins as a welcome bonus. So I give away 100 welcome coins as a bonus to everybody that joins under my link. And as you can see, I've referred quite a few people here. And how have I done that? Well, basically, if you've watched the first video, that's exactly what I've done. I've just gone and made a quick video on YouTube. So you could use your mobile phone to do this. You could record the screen, and then you could upload it, and you could even use some free software that you could actually produce a video, upload it up here to YouTube, and then in the description you can put your link, and you'll find your link just here. Your referral link is right here in the affiliate section, so you can grab that, and then you can also post that link in the description below your video. And that's all I've done, guys. I've done that, and then I've got 20,000 points, which I can then obviously get paid out. And while we're here, why not let's just show you how quickly they do actually pay out as well, guys. Now I'm going to pay out, you can go to the shop here to pay out. Now you could do PayPal, you could do Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. I'm going to do Bitcoin because I tend to use this to build up my Bitcoin. And I'm actually going to pay it out to my Coinbase account, which is where I keep some of my Bitcoin. And as you can see here, my Bitcoin portfolio, just from this site alone and a couple of other sites, is up to £84 at the moment. And today's it's just below 80, it's 83.93 at this moment in time. So let's just go and show you how quickly this will be able to be withdrawn. We put our address in here for Coinbase, and if you want to use Coinbase, it's free to just sign up for Coinbase, and you can actually earn Bitcoin on Coinbase as well. So we are going to want to enter an amount of coins. So let's see if we can do, for argument's sake, let's do 14,000. There is no fee, so you don't get charged a fee by withdrawing it to Coinbase. And then all I have to do is click on withdraw. I'm not verified at the moment, they're still doing that. But so it does mean that a staff member has to be will be notified and will review your withdrawal shortly. Okay. So last time this took about 3 minutes and it came up down in the corner here. So let's just have a look and see how long that takes. But like I say, let's just overview of exactly what I've just said. There are other ways you can actually earn as well. If you go to the leaderboard here, they have 2 ways you can actually earn. They've got a daily leaderboard, okay, which you could earn up to $500 per day. And this is really all about the amount of points that you can gather in a day. As you can see here, the one who's leading today has earned 124,000. Oh, there we go. Withdrawal has been confirmed. So that's literally taken less than a couple of minutes, probably not even a minute to go through. But like I say, this is a way that you can actually get onto the daily leaderboard, and they pay right down 250 places. So let's just head over to my Coinbase and just see if that has actually gone through. So we'll just refresh. As you can see there we go, guys. It's refreshed. It's gone up from 84 up to 94. So I've actually withdrawn about £10. So about $14 that has. So that is phenomenal. Thank you very much. We'll take that. So $14 in my bank account of Bitcoin straight away in there. So my portfolio balance has gone up within literally minutes. So that's how easy it is to earn cash on the Freecash website. So if you haven't already, join it now. Start taking these surveys if you can. Obviously, another way and a better way probably to do this is to actually play some of the games. And I'll be testing out some of the games and getting this figure back up so I can do another video and show you how to play the games and which games are better than others to actually go and earn the points quicker. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you're going to go and use Freecash, obviously check out the link in the description below, and then you can claim your 100 points bonus. Also, don't forget to check out this video next. This tells you more about an in-depth video into Freecash. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time I make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.